Let's do a science experiment together. I want to teach you a new word. It's viscosity. Can you say viscosity? Viscosity is how fast or slow a liquid will flow. Something like peanut butter has a high viscosity. It's very thick and it's not going to flow very quickly. Water, on the other hand, has a low viscosity. It's going to flow really fast. All right, we're going to have a little race. Let's come over and test out the viscosity of some of these things. So the first thing I have is just some syrup, pancake syrup. So we'll put that on there, and then let's do some tomato ketchup. Okay, next some mustard. And then some honey. And then how about some chocolate syrup? Okay, so we're gonna have a race and we're gonna test out which one will flow the quickest. So I want you to make a prediction. Which one of these do you think will win? All right, let's find out. Here we go. Oh, I think the syrup is in the lead. Definitely syrup may take first place. Let's see what's going to be in second place. Will it be the chocolate syrup or the honey? The pancake syrup, definitely first place. Let's see which one is second place. It's almost a tie between the chocolate syrup and the honey. The ketchup is starting to flow, and so is the mustard, but the mustard is pretty slow. There's almost a tie between chocolate syrup and the honey. Which one will be second place? There they go. It's gonna be close. Which one do you think will win? Looks like the honey is gonna be in second place, and I think, what do you think? The chocolate syrup third? Ketchup is kind of stalled, and mustard isn't flowing very fast at all. Yep, third place went to the chocolate syrup. Let me bump the ketchup and see if we can get it flowing again. There it goes. Ketchup is moving along. I definitely think the ketchup is gonna be in fourth place. Let's see if we can bump it again and get it going. There it goes. Ketchup is moving along. Mustard, not so much. Mustard is still all the way at the top, but ketchup is coming along. Definitely, I think ketchup is gonna be in the fourth place. You're almost there, ketchup. Go, ketchup, go. Mustard, you're still at the top. I definitely think you need to be fifth place. You're moving very slowly. And there it goes. Ketchup crosses the finish line in fourth and mustard is fifth. So that was fun. Maybe you can try out different liquids and test the viscosity of them. See you next time.